Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add overlay in Capcut PC. Okay, so now this is the video. So we're going to add a video. Okay, so this is the video we want to overlay. Okay, so all you have to do is click on this plus icon. Okay, so it's going to add our video. So as you can see, it's both stacked together, and that's not what we want to do. So to add an overlay, you just click on the video you want to make as the overlay and you drag to the top of the original video, and as you can see, it has created another timeline. So if I reduce this right here, so as you can see, it has created an overlay. Okay, so that's pretty much how to create an overlay. So this is pretty much how to create an overlay in Capcut. Okay, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.